Let us make millet khichdi. Keep millets and rajma soaked before. For this you will need 1/4 cup millets, 1 tomato, some chopped veggies like carrot or zucchini or bottle gourd, and some grated ginger, some pepper powder, black pepper powder, some turmeric, and 1/4 cup rajma. You will need this tomato, chop it and grind it without water. Make it a paste, tomato paste. Then take a steel cooker and heat in the gas stove, and let it heat. Then add ginger and saute it for a while. Keep the flame in medium. Then once the ginger is cooked, add tomato puree and roast it for a while. And let tomato reduced without water. All the water is evaporated. And meanwhile also add the spices, the black pepper powder and the turmeric powder. Roast it till all the water evaporates from the tomato puree, and it reduced to very less amount. Now once all the water is evaporated, add the veggies. I'm adding chopped carrot. You can also add some chopped zucchini or bottle gourd, or any other vegetable like capsicum. And feel free to add the veggies you like, and beans, whatever you like. And then add your rajma and also your millets. Now take around 2 cup of water and add it to the cooker. Then add salt to taste, as per your taste. Now stir everything well. And close the cooker now. And just on medium flame, keep it for 4 whistles. 4 whistles only. Let it cook for 4 whistles. Meanwhile, I'm roasting some sesame seed to top it over the millet khichdi. Also, I've taken some chopped coriander leaves. So the 4 whistles are already done. Now we're going to open the cooker, and the mixture is ready. We're going to add the sesame seeds and the coriander leaves, and your dish is ready. Enjoy.